Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing for the MacBook Pro 2020 edition, and then I'll also be doing the AirPods Pro unboxing, and I'm going to also do a mini review on both items. Alright guys. So I've had Apple products like since forever. I remember my first iPhone was the iPhone 3. And then I also got the MacBook Pro in 2011, and I've had the same MacBook since then. So I just wanted to get an updated version because my other one was starting to slow down and stuff. Okay. The box, that's the cover. And I got the space gray one, so I'm so excited because I had the silver one. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. I'm gonna peel off the covers, the protective tape and stuff. See how to do it. I've had this here like for a couple days now, but I just really wanted to wait and show you guys on camera, see how it looked. Oh my gosh, it feels so light and it looks so good, so sleek. Now I'm gonna peel off this cover. Ooh, and it turns on like right away. Awesome. And then in the box, there's like, I guess the little manual. It just tells all the features on here, like the touch bar, the touch ID. So,
to use English as the main language,
oh,
press the return key.
Very cool. Of course, it comes with the new charger, brand new charger. It's also wrapped in the protective tape. Alright guys, so I'm gonna unbox the AirPods Pro now. So, and also like I wanted to go do a little recap about the MacBook. I wanted to talk about like, is it worth the money and all of that. I did get the MacBook Pro through the education store. So I did get $100 off of the MacBook, which was awesome. And then I also did get the AirPods Pro for only $90 more when they're originally like $249. So I do feel that is worth it. I tried to do the little financing thing with the Apple Card. Like I got the Apple Card with Goldman Sachs, and I just didn't have the best experience with them. I can also talk more in another video if you guys want to hear about that. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. I never had any of the AirPods, so I was like, oh, I want to try them out. Of course, I wanted to get the best one that they had. And I felt like it was a good deal. Only $90 more. Which is basically like I save $100 for the MacBook and then use that $100 for the AirPods. They're so cute. Look at them. Very cool. But yeah, I do feel like the MacBook Pro 2020 is very much worth the money and everything. I just wish the process, like if you wanted to do the financing and all of that, was a little more simple and, you know, flowed more easily. But, you know, in the end, it is a great product. I know PCs are better and stuff like that, but they don't last as long as well. So it's really up to you and like what you do on a daily basis and what you'll be using the MacBook for. So it's really up to you to see what you guys feel is gonna benefit you and your lifestyle. But thank you guys for watching my video. Definitely check out my channel. I have all different kinds of content on there. And leave a comment below if you liked this video. Thank you. Bye. I just wanted to show you guys the comparison for the MacBook Pro, the 2020, and then the MacBook Air, the 2014 model. and then my MacBook Pro, the 2011 model. You could just see them all here. My new one looks the smallest, but look at the mouse pad, it's huge, it's very good. And then I can also show you guys side by side the MacBook Pros, just so you guys could see. Look at that.